Good morning. It is the next day. It is Wednesday and I just got adjusted by Matt. A lot of you actually that watch my channel or found my channel found me from Matt's YouTube channel. So hi guys, I just got adjusted. I'm getting adjusted again tomorrow. I was in a car accident, which I talked about before, so I'm getting all fixed up from that. And also yesterday I got my hair done. This is what it looks like. It's kind of messy right now, but really happy with how it turned out, and it's gonna lighten up when I'm in Costa Rica in the sun and in the salt water. But excuse me, I was so exhausted after getting my hair done yesterday, and I missed dinner with my family. Fonda San Miguel, which is a restaurant I really want to go to, so I just like went back to hang out with them, and they brought me food, and then I went to sleep early-ish. Now I'm gonna go to the lake for a run. I don't even feel like it, but I know I should. I'm here at my friend's working. So my friend actually does Amazon also, so I love coming here to just get my work done because I'm able to focus and he helps me, which is amazing. And right now I am quickly booking my return flight from Costa Rica because I haven't booked it yet, but I've heard that if you land in Costa Rica and you don't have your return flight booked already, there's a big chance that they won't let you off the plane. So I don't want that to happen. I want to make sure that I'm abiding by the law and everything. So I'm going to book my return flight. I'm looking here on Google Flights, and this is how I book my flights. So I literally will just put in the flight, and then since I'm flexible kind of with the dates, you can see the prices here of the different dates, and it's $141 on the 25th, and I know I want to stay until around this week. I am traveling the following week, so this would be cutting it a bit too close. So I'm gonna probably fly on this day. However, I just checked, and the flight that is $141 stops in Fort Lauderdale, and it's 16 hours and 28 minutes, which I don't really want to do. So let's see this one, because the next cheapest one is $218. So maybe this one is a lot better. $218, it's the same price. Stops in Dallas. So I could even do this one, but I would have to arrive in San Jose the day before because this is an early morning flight, unless I want to do this one or this one, which I think I might do one of these, probably this one, or actually maybe this one because it's a bit shorter. I would just have to make sure I arrive in San Jose by around 11 a.m. at the latest. So I'm going to have to check the flight for the small plane because you have to take a small plane from Tambor to San Jose. So I want to make sure that's all coordinated before I book this flight, so I know if I need to spend a night in San Jose or if I can just fly out and go directly from my small plane to the big plane. Alright, I just booked both my flights. I checked on Google Flights, found a good flight, and then was gonna book it through American Airlines. I do like flying with American. I earn points with them and miles, so when I can fly with American, I also earn points with other airlines, but mostly American, so always like to fly with them. And I also like their service and their way of doing things, I guess. So I went to my Chase Ultimate Rewards to see if I could book the flight with air miles, and I was able to, so I booked my flight for free. The small plane was $100 to get from Tambor back to San Jose, and I'm going to be arriving at noon. The flight is at 1:30, so that gives me an hour and a half to check my bag and get to the gate. So I think I should be good. And I'm glad I have this flight book. That was one of the things I needed to get done today. And it is one of the things I have to get done before going on this trip. So super glad that that is done. Crossed off my list. Now to get to the next thing. My brain was exploding working at my friend's. So I'm going for a run around the lake, which I'm gonna miss so much when I leave Austin. But I don't really live that close to the lake. I live like 15-20 minutes away. So I don't get to enjoy it like I did when I was living closer to downtown. It's so nice whenever I got to come here. I used to run around this lake 3 to 5 miles every single day when I was in school, and then I would go to the gym like right near the lake and work out for another hour. And I literally asked myself every day how I did that. That being said, I'm gonna continue running a bit more back to my car, and I think I'm gonna go to the gym with my friend. And this is how packing is going. Who else freaking hates packing? This is why I don't own a lot of things, because I hate packing. And look at how tired I am. I woke up this morning at, I don't know, 6 a.m. Did some yoga, went to an appointment, went to work at my friend's, came home, went to the gym, filmed content, and started packing. So it's been quite a long day. Tomorrow's gonna be another long day. I think it's thunderstorming right now, actually. Also, do you like this lamp? It's by Bermuda. You can get it on Amazon. I can leave a link in the description. It's actually pretty sick. It changes like colors. You can see it's like changing like green and blue. I'm going to organize my stuff a bit more, choose the swimsuits I'm going to take with me. Basically like everything in this pile I'm not going to put in a suitcase yet, because I'm going to film content with it tomorrow for TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok and Instagram, go take care of those things. I'm going to choose my swimsuits, and then I am going to kind of organize my makeup, skincare a bit, but I think I might just do that tomorrow. Go to sleep because I gotta go to the gym at 7 a.m. with my friend again. Just finished filming an outfits TikTok reel for what I'm taking to Costa Rica. Some outfit ideas if you are traveling or want to see what I'm going to be wearing on my trip. But now I really need to pack because it's almost 1 and I have to go at around 2-ish to some appointments. I'm going to get adjusted at the chiropractor. I'm going to get a massage, and then I have to meet up with a couple friends to say goodbye, finish all my other stuff before I leave when I'm done with that. So a lot of things to do today, really busy day. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys while I'm packing. I didn't really vlog that much this morning because went to the gym, got a flat tire, had to exchange my rental car. Lots of things happened, but got some work done. And now I'm gonna get into the meat of it, which is packing. So I'm gonna take a time lapse and then kind of show you once I'm done packing, how I packed, or like along the way, little tips and tricks, and film a couple TikToks also on how I pack and what I take and all of that. So let's get packing. Packed majority of my clothes. I still am doing a load of laundry, so I have to do that. But one of my packing hacks is these bags. So a lot of online, like Shein, these are from uses only, but a lot of online shopping brands send clothes in these bags, which I hate because that's a lot of plastic wasted. So I keep these bags, and I love organizing my clothes when I pack using these bags. So here I have my workout clothes. I organize my swimsuits, my underwear, my accessories, anything that's kind of smaller. I try to stick in these bags because that way when I'm unpacking or when I'm looking for something, I just have to go find the bag and then I don't mess up my whole suitcase. It also saves a lot of space. Another packing tip I have is rolling your clothes. So fold it and then literally roll it as tight as you can. This has saved me so much money because I cram everything into my carry-on and then there it is. I don't have to worry about not having enough space most of the time. You can pack way more things like that. And I like to, so right now I'm taking a big suitcase, but usually I just take my carry-on. I just don't feel like having to really rough it as much, and I'm only going to one place. I'm not moving a bunch, so it'll be fine to have a big suitcase as opposed to when I'm backpacking or traveling a lot and moving a lot, then I would rather just have my carry-on because it's a pain to lug around a suitcase. But I have most of my clothes here. I need to pack shoes, toiletries, other things, work things like electronics, my camera, all of that. I'm gonna try and get, also like my supplements and everything, and I think I'm gonna make separate TikToks for each thing that I'm packing and kind of hacks on it, so make sure you're following me on TikTok. I'll also try and post them on Reels as well. Sunscreen, hats, all of that, very important when you're traveling to hot places. So I have a couple hats. I'm taking lots of sunscreen for my body and face just to make sure I'm protected while I'm there. I'm taking supplements that I usually would take while I'm here. I want to take some of them, but not all, because that's a lot of stuff to carry. And I like, one of like my guilty pleasures or like weird things is I love finishing products when I'm away. Let's say I have like a face wash or something that is, you can use up. I love taking it with me on a trip, and then when I finish, like towards the end of the trip, I run out of the product and I'm like, yes, I don't have to carry this back home. Is that just me, or is that like a normal thing? Because I feel like so satisfied when that happens. And another thing that's a hack for toiletries are samples. Whenever you go to Sephora or if you go anywhere that has samples, ask for samples, and you can always just take these on your short trips, like your weekend trips, instead of having to take the whole bottle. I went to get my hair done the other day, which you guys already saw, and she gave me so many samples. I didn't even ask for them, but they happened to have them in the salon. So I have a bunch of shampoos and conditioners and hair masks. So I'm going to take some of my Olaplex, like I use Olaplex on my hair, but I think I have enough shampoo and conditioner to last me most of the trip because I don't wash my hair every day. I might be washing it more there since I'm gonna be by the beach and going swimming and everything, but I'm going to probably be fine with that. And if I need more, I can always pick some up while I'm there. Going to get back to packing and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take my mask off while I talk so you guys can hear me, but there's literally nobody around me. Just want to make that clear. I missed my freaking flight. I missed my flight because the line for TSA was so crazy long. I've never seen the line for TSA here in Austin this long. And I also didn't know that you had to purchase health insurance to get into Costa Rica. I checked the travel restrictions for COVID and it was like everything just said no COVID test required, but you do need a COVID test to come back into the US. But I'm trying to check in and she's like, where's your QR code? And I was like, what QR code? And she's like, you need to get health insurance to enter Costa Rica. So I was like, I didn't know that. And then she's like, yeah, you need to like get it and register it and all of this stuff. So I'm like standing there frantically buying health insurance on my phone and then registering it. And I'm already like, I was just going to be on time because I'm one of those travelers that's not like going to wait at the gate for hours. So I end up going to the TSA line and it's fucking like so long, and I'm like telling the TSA agent, I'm like, I'm gonna miss my flight, and he's like, too bad. And I'm like so I go back to the gate or to the check-in counter and I'm flying with United. Thankfully they rebooked me for another flight, so I'm gonna hang out here at the airport for a few hours. It's around 7 a.m. right now, so my flight is at 10 a.m. I have a headache because I did not sleep, so I think I'm going to spend my time, I'm going to meditate for an hour, and then I'm going to get some work done on my laptop. But I will also was looking at my passport today, so this is my passport, and it is completely full. Like, it doesn't expire for a few more years, but there are no pages in here that are empty. Like, everything is, and not only just stamps, like there are, like, it's full with stamps. Like, there's no extra page for a visa if I need to get a visa. So that's crazy. I think I'm gonna close this vlog out now because I feel like it's getting super long. But on my way to Costa Rica, I'm going to share more about what I packed when I get there, because this week was crazy. I did end up bringing this carry-on suitcase, which I like to do because I can really like roll everything up and stuff it full, so that way my heavy stuff goes in here and they don't weigh carry-on. So that's a little hack for you guys. I have my big suitcase, my small one, and my backpack, which is right here. So yeah, if you have any questions for me about Costa Rica, packing, anything, let me know. By the time I post this video, I'll probably be in Costa Rica. So, well, I will be in Costa Rica. So let me know what you want to see from me. If you have any questions about traveling there, let me know in the comments. COVID, obvious, or I'm fully vaccinated. Also, I want to add that. But it seems like because people are getting vaccinated, travel is getting busier, so be prepared for that if you're traveling at airports and everything. People are literally like standing there laughing at me because I'm talking to myself on my phone at 7 a.m. in the airport. It's fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know I look super tired, so I'm gonna go. But if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, connect with me on Instagram, TikTok. You guys know what it is, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.